I kicked the tires off real quick to come see these damn hubs and brake pads, and check this out. Oh, that's a lot of movement. Check that out, guys. Yep, we got slack, and we are hitting the axle, this end of the axle there. So I have got to put something on there that will fill or let that axle come through it, which I have a washer over here that I'm hoping that'll work. It is really big on the inner side for it to go through it, but the outer side may hit the rim. So we'll just have to stick it on there and then find out. Also, here's all the new brake pads I got. Came in today, so we'll be changing all of those because they are, yeah, gone. Nothing left on those pads. So, yep, they were definitely due for new ones. Anyway, so we'll have to open up the reservoir and, you know, start changing some brakes, and then I'm gonna put that washer on that one side over there and make sure it snugs that up, and I'll come back. All right, there's the problem right there, guys. So the splines are coming out past the spindle, so the washer's butting up against that instead of the spindle like it's supposed to. So it's not tightening everything up all the way, and it's leaving some slack. So we're going to have to fix that by using something this big to go over those splines like that. And as long as when the rim's on here, it doesn't touch this and it seats all the way where it's supposed to, we'll be good. If not, I'll have to get something with, you know, a little bit smaller than this one, but this is what I'm going to use for now. I'm about to see if that'll work. So here I go. All right, so installed the washers, and it's nice and tight now. No movement at all. Nothing. We're good. So that's the problem. Those cheap axles, guys, oh, they get so aggravating to deal with. I've had this happen on a couple Can-Ams though. I won't lie. So that's how I know to use that bigger washer when it happens. This one, I may put one on it just to be safe because it is aftermarket eBay axle. So if it works on that side, I'm gonna do it on both. So I'll be back, and hopefully that rim will be on and it'll sit flush on there. As you can see, the tire isn't on. Nothing is going my way, it seems, with anything in life right now, including this wheel, bearing, and all that kind of stuff. It's hitting right here along this edge. You can see the marks, and it bent the whole washer inward due to right here it's sucking in. So I need a washer that'll fit in this here, but has an inner diameter that those splines can come through, and then I'll be good to go. All right, guys, you're looking at the washer that's gonna work. So I took one of the other axle washers and I just used a step-up bit, and I was able to open the inner diameter of it to the correct size I needed. Put it on the vise just like this one, cinch it down, use a step-up bit, got it good to go, guys. So now I should be able to get this bearing all snug and good and not have to worry about the rim hitting the outer part. So we're good to go, bro. This is with that washer I drilled out. There's literally no slack in it now that I've tightened it up. Got it all on there. Everything's good to go on there. Like I said, I'm waiting for brake pads because I have to order them again. But that did work. So any Can-Am that has this kind of issue with slack in the hub when the nut's all the way tight, you got to drill out a washer, put it in there, then it'll fix your problem. All right, guys, so I just ran into another no bueno situation. The brake pads I ordered apparently are not going to fit this XMR. Apparently they're just for the Commander 1000Rs, whatever. The XMR is special apparently for this year. So here's the pads I got. They aren't going to work. Like I said, I tried. The ones I need are bigger, and they have a little like arm coming down on these sides, and the holes are different as well. So gonna get those on order. Also, oh, the steering rack, guys, check this out. So that's the whole rack moving up in there. It is toast. Toast. I can't believe I didn't notice that whenever I was riding it. It didn't feel kind of bad. This side ain't as bad, but the steering rack is shot. So we'll be ordering a new one of those. Rear pads are on. They went on easy. The XMR has the same as the rest. So should be good to go, bro. So once I get some pads and a steering rack, we'll throw that in and we should be good unless I find anything else. So we'll see what happens. But till then, if y'all would, hit that like and subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and I will see y'all when we get these other parts. Take it easy.